With Pinnect, you can easily fasten a pipe with only one bolt. Pinnect is a round pipe fitting made of aluminum, very easy and simple to assemble. With this Pinnect, you can make a complicated structure rapidly and create many idea products in combination with various connectors. Anyone can make a structure rapidly as desired. Simple and various material featuring rapid assembly allow innovative space and very fast production of your structure. Most important thing in using Pinnect is that the work is not so dangerous but fast and does not cost much. The design of Pinnect is simple and solid. Pinnect is light and its workability is good. Difficult welding is not required. Cutting or turning a screw is not necessary. No special equipment is required. As made of a perfect precision mold, it has a considerably sharp outline, good symmetry and clean surface. For example, large structural frames such as outdoor structural frames, handrails and stage settings may require hard and difficult work like welding. However, with Pinnect, you can make large structures easily and rapidly without welding. Besides, creative applications have some benefits of making diverse products including tables, desks, hangers, chairs, shelves, clothing racks, beds, pulling stands, easy to make DIY products, indoor interior displays, and retail decorations. Of course, when you do not need them any longer, they can be easily separated and stored. Pinnect aims at Legos for adults. Like Lego toys for children, we are equipped with diverse items for hands-on manufacturing instead of expressing adult products only in images. As you can make large and small structures by yourself without any tool, you can have self-confidence. Unlike woodworking or welding, any special talents or tools are not required. The best benefit of Pinnect is no need of a nut. Tighten the bolt with an Allen wrench or with an impact wrench for faster assembly. As the sharp edge of a screw burrows into the inside of a pipe to pinch and fasten, it does not easily sway or loosen. In particular, aluminum of Pinnect is combined with steel of the bolt to complete solid bolt fastening and strong structures. Welding with high labor costs or uncomfortable threading is not necessary. Pinnect can be easily inserted into the pipe and simply fixed at any point. When making a portable or assembled structure, you can see best advantage of Pinnect only. When disassembling, anyone can easily loosen the screws and store the structure separately. Unlike a permanent connecting system, complete reuse is available. Disassembly in the same form or completely different product is also available. You may think the connection of the simply assembled product is weak, but Pinnect never permits a poorly assembled structure. Aluminum fitting is light, easy to carry, and cheap. Fitting can be applied to all steel and aluminum pipes if both are the same size. Basic aluminum products have smooth surfaces after rough ones are polished, strong against corrosion for a certain period. Most important thing for measuring a pipe size is an outer diameter. To check the accurate fitting size, you need to compare with our pipe table. Find your desired pipe size in the chart. If you have any questions about pipe and fitting size, please contact our email address. We are preparing more various pipe size for the future. Besides, various paint colors are available. If you inform the quantity, fittings, and proper colors of the pipes, we will do powder coating. Powder coating will add beauty to appearance and durability to your structure with another surface. Find fittings and pipes required for your project. Utilizing various products made of Pinnect, we will do our best to help users across the world complete their project conveniently and fast. With your imagination, much more convenient, efficient structures or special designs can be created.